I'm Patty Simpson with Simpson Math. Let's talk about the mode. The mode is an average. So when someone says, hey, let's find the average, they could be talking about the mode. The mode is a data value that always appears the most often. It's whichever data values shows up most often in our data set, or most frequently in the data set. The mode is always easy to identify in a frequency distribution, because in a frequency distribution, the one with the most is always the tallest if it's in a bar graph or a histogram, and even in a frequency polygon, it'll be at the tallest spot. And in a frequency table, it'll be the one that has the highest frequency. So it's always nice and easy to identify on a frequency display. The mode is the only average that we can use with qualitative data, with nominal level data. If you think about the variable types of car, if I ask you, what type of car do you drive? And you answer Mazda or Ford or Toyota, I can't take Mazda, Ford, and Toyota and add those up and divide to find the mean. But I can look at my data and see which one of those showed up most often. So the mode is the one average that we can find for that nominal data. And the mode is always a data in the data set. It will always be an actual data in the data set. So let's find the mode. Here I have a large data set, and I just want to look for the one that shows up most often. So notice these numbers all show up once, but 23 here shows up 4 times. 23 is the mode. It shows up the most often. In this case, we have 1, 1, 1, 2, 2 4s, but then we also have 2 8s. This one has 2 modes. This data set has 2 modes. The modes are 4 and 8. Both 4 and 8 are modes of this data set. We say that this is bimodal. When there are 2 modes, we call that a bimodal data set. When there are more than 2 modes, we call it a multimodal data set. Down here in this one, we have 2 2s, 2 3s, 2 4s, and 2 5s. None of the numbers show up more than the others. This one has no mode, or you could say that the set is uniform. It's the same all the way across, so therefore it's a uniform set of data. So the mode shows up very nice and easy to see on a frequency display, and it's the one average that we can find for our qualitative data. And it's just the one that shows up most often. Math Made Simple is Simpson Math. Thanks for watching.